Hi, Sara Levin, the Artful Inker here, and today I want to show you just how easy it is to assemble the Berry Basket Bigz die. I used that for yesterday's Creation Station blog hop and realized that I hadn't put together a video, so here we go. So first I need a piece of cardstock that measures 5.5 by 8.5 and my Berry Basket Bigz die, and my label just lets me know where all the cutting surface is. So let's put my sandwich together and bring the big shot up here, and we'll run that through real quickly. Give it a shove and away we go. Okay, and then take that out of here and get rid of my plate. And so what you end up with after you have cut is a basket piece and then 2 trim pieces. So time to assemble. To assemble your basket you need 2 pieces, and I've decided that I would like to have mine stamped, and so I used the hardwood stamp in crumb cake ink on the crumb cake cardstock. And you're going to crease at the folds here, and then we'll use multi-purpose glue and just run that right here and layer this right across. Make sure that you're inside the folds. Let me pick that up and give that a quick little shift here. And then I like to turn my basket upside down. Obviously it's not going to hold itself together there. And then you have these 2 little strips that you cut, and there's a score line here and one up towards the end. So we're going to crease both of those score lines and add a little bit of glue to the tab and assemble those. Just hold for a second. And same thing, I want to come up here and put that together with the tab. Now I'm going to run a little bead of glue right around here on each one of these sides. And now the reason for turning this upside down is because it's narrower at the bottom than it is at the top. And we're just going to carefully, if it cooperates, probably not since I'm on camera, feed that right through. And then when you get to the top, begin to press each side down. Okay. And 3 and 4, and there you have it. Easy to assemble, the Berry Basket Bigz die. Check back and I will have an alternate version for you. Thanks for stopping by today. This is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and then click in the upper left to go to my blog, theartfulinker.com. Thanks. Have a great day.